Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we want to solve these exponential equations where we have minus 5 to the power of x equals 5. And to solve this kind of a problem, what we do first here is, the value here is negative. So we have to recall something that, suppose we write this as minus 1 multiplied by 5. So it's still the same thing as minus 5. Then L raised to the power of x equals 5. And let's try to consider from this rule. Suppose you have e to the power of I pi plus 1 equals 0. Then by transferring this one to other side, we have e to the power of I pi equals minus 1. So since we have already know this, then we try to replace it here as we have minus 1, which is this. Then we try to replace it with e to the power of I pi multiplied by 5, all raised to the power of x equals 5. And to get the value of x here, we introduce the natural log to both sides. So by introducing natural log, we have this as ln of e to the power of I pi multiplied by 5 raised to power x equals ln 5. Then we have to note something again, that suppose we have ln AB. So we write this as ln A plus ln B. And similarly, when we have ln A to the power of m, we consider this as m ln A. So we apply these two properties here. So let's apply this property for this one. So as the power of x here is going to be as lx ln of e to the power of I pi multiplied by 5 equals ln 5. And then by applying the first property here, then we change this one to, so x into bracket of, so this one becomes ln e to the power of I pi plus ln 5 equals ln 5. Then anytime we have ln and exponential, they are inverse to each other. They are multiplicative inverse, so they cancel each other, so that we have x into bracket of I pi plus ln 5, everything equals ln 5. So then we have to divide both sides by I pi plus ln 5. So by dividing both sides by this, we get the value of x. As these two cancelled, then the value of x equals ln 5 divided by I pi plus ln 5. And this is how to solve this problem, as we know that from the negative in the problem, we cannot get the real solutions. The only solutions we get to this problem is complex, and this is the value for it. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class.